Here's amazing, interesting app, LED light controller HUE app. This can be quite handy for the holidays or long winter nights. So as you can see, this is the app for like Philips HUE, Wiz, some other brands. Philips HUE, Wiz, Go with Sync, Nanoleaf, some others. So yeah, it's not that you can use this app with any bulb, any lamp you have, but yeah, you can just enable this like that. Choose from 16 million color options to set the perfect ambience for any occasion, whether you're looking for a relaxing atmosphere or a party-ready vibe. Set the mood in different areas of your home, giving you complete control over your smart lights. Compatible with all your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, smart bulb, light strip lamp, light tube, and all of that. So yeah, and then you can just open it up. You can see that and then yeah, you can just easily control like your lightning right from the app, which is quite cool. It's like, you need to turn on Bluetooth, like access your home data, and then you can allow access, and then you just add lights from here. Just tap add lights, connect, make sure to turn on Bluetooth, connect via Bluetooth, connect via HomeKit, and then you can see available devices. And then yeah, there are some handy instructions. So for example, you're just using Philips, then check the light placement, reset the light, power the cycle tap, and then yeah, and then basically you just need to connect to that lamp, and you just can navigate the brightness of that lamp. Super cool. And then yeah, if you want to have no ads, connect all lights, unlimited area, you can upgrade to premium. Premium is what, like lifetime $50 or 1 week $5. It just depends how long you want to use it, but you can also use it just for free with ads. And then yeah, you can just create the areas. So yeah, kind of cool. I like a lot of these apps. Recently, you just have SmartThings app for like other Philips devices, and a lot of this like internet of things, like smart home apps, where you just basically control how your apartment or house works from your device. You can set up how your vacuum cleaner works from your app. You can open your garage doors, like control the lights, like air conditioners, whatever, just from your phone. It's becoming quite convenient. There are more and more apps, and yeah, this is one of the coolest apps, so give it a try.